Here is 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗄𝗃 from 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗄𝗃 Phones. Today we will have a look at the true flagship killer, the Poco F3. The first Poco F1 was released back in 2018 and compete with the flagship phones. It was a true flagship killer for around $300 running the latest Snapdragon processor at that time. Today Poco is back with the Poco F3, a smartphone with many flagship features. The Poco F3 runs Qualcomm's newest Snapdragon 870 with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, or 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. The Snapdragon 870 is basically a Snapdragon 865 with higher clock rate. The Poco F3 runs much smoother with this new SoC. A real flagship killer also needs a great display capability. Here we get a 6.67 inches E4 10-bit AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate and 360 Hz touch sampling rate. The screen features up to 1300 nits brightness and 2400 to 1080p resolution. The pop-up camera of the Poco F3 Pro is gone. Instead we get a 20 megapixel dot camera at the front. Such a powerful smartphone also needs a huge battery. Poco built a 4520 mAh battery. Unfortunately, the Poco F3 doesn't support wireless charging, but it supports 33 watt wired fast charging. There is also a 33 watt fast charger included in the box, which fully charges the Poco F3 in only 53 minutes. So Poco changed the game with the Poco F2 Pro's 64 megapixel main camera back in May 2020. It supports 4K 30 or 60 FPS and even 8K video recording. The Poco F3 goes even further and comes with flagship image and video capabilities. It features a 48 megapixel main shooter with EIS stabilization and many video features including the zoom audio or parallel vault. Here is a short preview from my cinematic video recorded with the Poco F3. You can find the link to the video in the descriptions. Furthermore, it has a 8 megapixel 119 degrees ultra wide angle lens and a 5 megapixel telemacro camera. Here are some images taken with the Poco F3. The latest Wi-Fi 6AX is on board with 5G dual band. You can just put a 5G compatible SIM card into the Poco F3 and you can use both SIM cards. One with 5G and the other one with 4G. Many 5G brands are supported. There is also Bluetooth 5.1 and NFC built in. I mostly use NFC to pay with Google Pay and stores. It's fast and secure. The very first Poco F1 has a polycarbonate back cover, but the Poco F2 Pro features a Gorilla Glass 5 back cover. The new flagship killer F3 comes with Gorilla Glass 6 back cover, which is stronger and more durable. On the top of the phone we can see a second speaker and an IR blaster. The stereo speakers are loud and clear. Also, you can use the pre-installed Mi Remote app to control your TV with the built-in IR blaster. On the right side we have the volume button and the power button. Poco decided to build the fingerprint reader into the power button, instead into the display. In my opinion, this is a great decision because of the fingerprint reader is super fast and very accurate. There are three color options: deep ocean blue, Arctic white and night black. The phone looks solid and premium. It feels great to hold. The build quality is great. Let's talk about the price. The 6GB and 128GB internal storage version costs around $470, or to say €349. The 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage version costs around $477 or €399. If you're looking for the best budget flagship phone, you're right with the Poco F3. It runs the new Snapdragon 870, which is very fast. You get a great AMOLED E4 display with 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate, which is also awesome for gamers. The connectivity is great with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, 5G and even NFC. The battery is huge and charges fully in 53 minutes. There's also a stereo speaker. You can get so much smartphone for a low price. Thank you for watching my video. Just subscribe my channel for more awesome video and comment below if you're going to buy the Poco F3.